Today is Unity Day, and I was so proud to be the assistant principal who is working with our Culture of Care committee to organize a tradition here at AMD. And the committee put together activities that students can complete in class and outside of class to have some time to socialize and have discussions about the things that unify us.
Today in class, we did feathers and we did symbols to represent like love and inclusiveness for Unity Day, of course. And yeah, that's basically what we did.
This is our Wings of Change project. This is actually how the students here at AMD signed their pledge for the No Place for Hate. So their signatures are here and they included symbols of unity.
Left up here to display for the rest of the school year, so it's a reminder, a symbol of change, a symbol of unity, a symbol of today, that we can, continue to build on it for the rest of the school year.
We're stronger together.
So the activities that we did today was like drawing on a feather, all the things about Unity Day, what we're grateful for. I drew about our school and all the great teachers, all those super fun subjects. I think it's so important that we learn about unity and how it affects the school, because these days really help kids understand about how to be kind and how to make everyone feel like a part of everything.
We were making tattoos, buttons, and bracelets, and you can also draw. And also, and you can also draw pictures too.
We're here at AMD where now we can play games. We're playing games for this new thing. I think it's called Union Day, I think. For me, it's like we get to have fun and talk, and everyone can feel safe in our school.
I've mainly just been hanging out with my friends. I've been trying to be nice to everyone and just trying to be unified.
It's great! I love it! I love it! It's majestic! We stand for AMD!
Union Day for me means that everyone can have like a fun time and not feel different from the others. Even though different means isn't bad, we can all feel together, I guess.
For me, Unity Day is we get together as a school and community. We get to have fun activities together. We do fun activities. We celebrate for who we are. We talk about who we are, and we just feel positive about each other.
Unity Day for me today is being grateful for what we have and being together as a community.
Happy